Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a 100% working method to solve the unusual activity detected problem on ElevenLabs. First, let's head over to the ElevenLabs website. Many of us face this annoying error when trying to generate speech on a free account. Let me show you what happens. See this? Unusual activity detected. This usually happens because of your IP address or browser cache. But don't worry, here is the fix. Now go to a temporary email service and get a new email address. Use this to sign up for a fresh ElevenLabs account. Enter your password and click Sign Up. Check your Temp-Mail inbox and verify your email. Once verified, log into the account on your PC and complete the basic onboarding process. Here is the secret trick. After logging in on your PC, do not close the browser. Keep it active. Now, we need to shift to our mobile device. Download and open the ElevenLabs app on your phone. Log in using the exact same temporary email and password you just created on your PC. As you can see, the account is working perfectly on the mobile app. Let's try to generate some text to confirm.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg you.
Success! The speech is generated without any errors. You can use this method, create multiple accounts to use unlimited ElevenLabs. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.